Sir, very good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Very good morning.
I will take a minute to introduce to the participant.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Dear participant and the resource person, I welcome you on behalf of the Department of Psychology, the American College Madurai. Today with us the eminent professor in the field of psychology, Professor Sandeep Singh Rana is with us. I came to know Professor from Damanjit Singh. And she told me that many more about Professor, and then he is one of the renowned expert in India to share his experience on the topic psychology of happiness. Sir, I'm really happy to have you here to share the happiness and related components. Sir, I welcome you and
Thank you.
and then lead the session, sir. Please.
Thank you, Dr. Suresh.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, would you like to have a PPT presentation, sir?
Yes.
1 minute. I will close my screen sharing. Then you can.
Okay.
Yes. Now you can do it, sir. Your video is not visible, sir. The screen is not visible. 1 minute, sir. I will do one thing. Yes, sir. You can.
Then it's fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So full screen will be fine, sir.
Full screen.
Yes.
Okay. देखना F5 हो जाएगा क्या?
F5.
हाँ. Yes. Oh.
Yes, sir. Please.
It's fine.
Yes, sir. Please.
Okay. Very good morning to all of you.
Fine,
Sir, good morning.
Good morning, Professor.
Good morning.
Dr. Naseeb.
Okay, Naseeb. Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Welcome, sir.
Good morning. Very good morning to all of you. Let us start. First of all, I am very thankful to Dr. Suresh Kumar, and I am really thankful to Dr. Damanjit for the nice initiative. Dr. Suresh, you are doing very good work by coordinating all experts and discussing on the topic of relevance, particularly in this situation of COVID-19. Really, I'm very thankful to you, and your efforts are really appreciable. Friends, let us mute our audio.
No. Others, the part I will take care of it. So some of them they are unmuted now. You can.
Okay.
I will take care of it.
Okay. So today's topic of discussion is psychology of happiness. We will discuss very small steps, very simple things. How can we be happy, particularly in this situation of crisis during pandemic of COVID-19? Friends, as far as psychology of happiness is concerned, friends, there is no specific way to happiness. Happiness is a way. Happiness is a choice. Happiness is not conditional. If we are saying that happiness is a choice, how can we make a choice? We can make a choice only if we are aware about, if we are mindful about, if we are mindful about our thoughts, if we are mindful about our feelings, if we are mindful about our breathing, our surroundings, our strengths and limitations, if we are aware about ourselves, if we know ourselves, if we know our thoughts and feelings, only then we can make a choice. Friends, happiness is not conditional, it is a choice. We will discuss very simple steps as we are saying that we can make choice I'm not able to move it forward. Shaurya, just a bit. Shaurya, sorry, Dr. Suresh, there is some technical problem. Shaurya, Shaurya, Shaurya. Shaurya.
Sir, because Suresh Kumar sir has shared his screen, that's why
Okay.
he can move the PDF. He can move that PPT file.
Oh, so Dr. Suresh, please move to the next.
No, it is not. The screen shared by you only, sir. It is not with me.
Okay.
But you shared your...
I think, sir, can you share the PPT to my WhatsApp number? I will do from here.
Okay.
I'm from my side. Just
okay. Just I am sharing with you.
Yes, sir, please, sir. I think, dear participant, many of you not yet unmuted your call. Even I muted. I think you are unmuting by yourself. Please mute your audio for at least 30 minutes. After the session, you will be given chance to interact with the expert.
क्या कर दिया? Okay. Sorry, friends. Due to some technical issue. Okay. So let us start again. Simply, we are saying that connection with our own self, knowing our own self, aware about our own self, our strength and limitations, our feelings and thoughts. If we are mindful, if we are aware, only then we can make better choices. And friends, happiness, as we have said, happiness is a choice. It is not conditional. Awareness and acceptance is the key to happiness. We are discussing very simple steps, friends. Accept yourself as you are. Be your own friend. Expression of your strengths, expression of your inner self is the ultimate source of happiness. Try to find out the ways, try to find out the strengths, try to find out the uniqueness, and the expression of that strength, expression of that uniqueness, expression of your inner self ultimate provides you the happiness. Happiness is linked with your inner self. It is the expression of your inner self. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, sir. Please proceed.
Okay, I have simply asking, am I audible? Dr. Suresh is saying that I am audible. Friends, more than 12 billion cells of the brain were involved in this communication. Focus on your strengths. If we focus on our strengths, there is no need to counter our limitations, our weaknesses. We are more capable than we perceive ourselves. We are more efficient. We are more great than we perceive ourselves. Don't compare yourself with others. This is the third point. Friends, life is a competition with ourselves, not with others. I am time and again repeating that if we find the source of happiness, it is within you, not the outside. It is not conditional. It is not dependent upon people and situation. If you are happy, if you can be happy, you can be happy in different conditions. If you are aligned with your own self, how you perceive yourself is more important than the opinion of the people about you. If you perceive yourself that you are capable, you can do this, yes, if you have a positive perception about your own self, it is more important then how the other people are perceiving you. Friends, accept the people and situation as they are. Friends, the only change is possible we can change in ourselves. The behavior of people and uncertainty of situation is not most of the time is not in our own hands. If we can make a change, we can make a change in ourselves, we can make a change in our thoughts. People and situations are not primarily in our hands. Do your best as per the situations. uh, Different peoples have different temperaments, different genetic codes. As I have number of times I am saying this, anyone participating in the workshop is having similar fingerprints? I think nobody. Each one have a different genetic code. it each one have a different source of learning, a different source of socialization. And friends, to be different is not to be bad. Let us accept the diversity in people. Let us accept the uncertainty of situation. Change is the most stable phenomenon in this world. Let us accept. If we are accepting the people and situation as they are, we are minimizing the expectation level. We are minimizing the expectation level, and these expectations are mounting the stress level. Friends, accept the people as they are. Don't give your remote into other hands. Friends, no one can make you inferior without your consent. No one can make you angry. No one can make you unhappy without your consent. But don't give your remote into other hands. Make your own choices, express your own self, connected with your own self. This is a simple thing. Self love is self acceptance. We need to accept who we are, identify the strengths in that, and let those strengths guide our growth. Choose your goals, choose your purpose of life as per your own strength. And expression of these personal strengths is the source of happiness. We all have strengths within us. Friends, we have already discussed it. Get the inside right, the outside will fall into place. Most of the time we are looking for how can we change the people. Most of the time we are involved, how can we how how can we change the situation, how can we make the outside better. Friends, when gets when inside is better, outside will fall into place, outside will automatically better. And as we have earlier said, you are the only person on earth who can use your ability. The first part of this slide is related to the awareness of about your own self. And if we are mindful about our own self, this self in, only then we can make better choices. This is a very important statement by Peter Drucker. When you focus on your strengths, you make your weaknesses irrelevant. Friends, be with yourself, be your own friend. If we are doing something purposeful in life, as Dr. Suresh is doing in this situation, what we give other, what we give to the society, first of all, we have to create that feeling in ourselves. If want to motivate the people, if want to provide happiness to the people, if we develop the emotional intelligence of the people, anything we want to give to the society, first of all we have to create in ourselves, only then we can give it to the society. Let us make a business of positive emotions. Let us talk about the faith, hope, gratitude, mindfulness, optimism, all people in life, first of all we have to create that feeling in our own self, and ultimately we are the beneficiaries. Set set your own targets as per your own strength and purpose in life. Prioritize your goal, write down those targets. Friends, focus on positive emotions and make a balance in different roles. Simply I am saying, love yourself unconditionally, accept yourself unconditionally, focus more on what to do than what not to do. There are more positive things in life, there are more brighter aspects in life. Make a balance in holistic health, balance in your roles. Friends, balance in mind, body and soul. It's a balance that helps in our happiness. Simply focus on your strengths, not your weaknesses. Most of the time we are discussing that we should not do this, we should not do this, we should not do this. Let us make an environment in learning institutions in our family that we should talk more about, let us do this, let us do this, let us do this. Friends, fear, we create fear, we create limitations. We know in this COVID-19 situation, there is limitation. We are staying at our homes. There are so many foundations, there are so many limitations, friend, but there is no limitation on our thinking. There is no limitation on our dream. Even in this situation, there is no foundation on our thought processes. We can make, we can choose positive thoughts, we can create positive thoughts, we can focus more on the brighter side of life. Friends, life itself is a source of celebration. There is there is no need to any extra things. There is no need to any extra things. We are very grateful this life. Life itself is a source of focus on your blessings, not on your misfortunes. We have earlier discussed this. Happiness is a choice, but this mind is creating the problem. Let us be the master of this mind, not the mind masters you. Let you master the mind. As this is a very relevant statement, life is not as serious as the mind makes it to be. Friends, if you are the master of your mind, then life is very beautiful. If your mind masters your life, it creates so many problems. You can be the master of your mind only through the awareness, only through the mindfulness, only through the insight, only through the to be aware about your mind. That includes your thoughts and feelings also. The very relevant statement of Seligman: choose the way, individuals can choose the way they think. Friends, life is 10% what happened to us and 90% how we react to it, how we respond to it. As people and situations are not in our hands, but how we respond to those people and situation, this is in my hand. Let us focus more on the, there is a word responsibility. Responsibility means, can anybody tell, Dr. Suresh?
जिम्मेवारी हमारी responsibility.
Vibha is saying जिम्मेदारी हमारी about responsibility. Friends, responsibility means response plus ability. Ability to respond, that is responsibility. So friends, as I am saying, life is 10% what happened to us and 90% how we respond to it. The only disability in this world is negative attitude. We know so many people, so many persons having physical disabilities, having mental disabilities, having financial crises, having so many limitations in their life. Still, we discuss their examples. It may be Abraham Lincoln. It may be so many people in we see in our life. Despite having so many limitations, they contribute this world in a very progressive, very positive, and a very efficient way, friends. The only disability is the negative attitude, and we can respond as per our own choices. As this is a very right statement, we either make ourselves strong or we make ourselves miserable. The amount of effort is the same. Why to be miserable? Let us be strong. And again, the primary cause of unhappiness is not the situation, but our thoughts about it. Positive thoughts generate positive feelings and attract positive life experiences. Can we do 2 or 3 minutes exercise? Dr. Suresh?
Sure,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir, please. Yes, sir.
Let us, this is a very simple exercise of mindfulness. I am simply sharing the instructions, information to all of you. For 60 seconds, we will observe our breath. For 60 seconds, simply be with yourself. Be honest to yourself. Don't be judgmental. Most of the time, we are judgmental even our own self. For 60 seconds, simply we have to breathe, we have to watch, observe our breath non-judgmentally. Next 60 seconds, simply we have to practice gratitude exercise. I am grateful to this. I am grateful to this. As I am grateful to all of you.
Yes, and we are grateful to you.
Simply we have to practice gratitude exercise, and the last 60 seconds simply give positive affirmation to yourself, maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 positive affirmations to yourself. So these 3 steps we will cover. Simply the first part is, let us observe our breath for 60 seconds only. Let us start.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Close your eyes gently and feel your breath for 60 seconds, friends. These 3 minutes were very important to make a connection with yourself. Let us observe your breath for 60 seconds. Open your eyes, please. Open your eyes, please. In the morning, early in the morning, we can do this 3 minutes exercise. First 60 seconds, simply observe your breath. Next 60 seconds, practice gratitude. And next 60 seconds, plan your day. This 3 minutes exercise ultimately will be very helpful to you. First minute, we have to observe our breath. Second, let us exercise the gratitude. And next 60 seconds, plan your the whole day. Prioritize your day. First, first thing in the morning, we can practice this exercise. Second, friends, this is a statement. Thoughts become things, choose the good ones. As we think, so we become. First of all, if we are in a position to be mindful about our breathing, in second stage, we can be mindful about our bodily sensations. Then in next practice, we can be mindful about our feelings. And ultimately, if we are in a position to be aware about our thoughts, it's the ultimate mastery. It's the ultimate source of happiness. If we are aware, then definitely we can choose. And as we think, so we become. Again, it's the same statement. The primary cause of unhappiness is never the situation, but our thoughts about it. Create your own sunshine. Friends, develop the positive emotions: hope, faith, gratitude, optimism, and trust. These are the positive emotions. They are the part of our own self. We are born to be happy. We learn unhappiness. Biologically, genetically, evolutionary, we are having more positive state of mind. We learn fear, we learn negative emotions, we learn stress, we learn anxiety, we learn anger. Basically, as children are more positive, as we see, keep your child alive within you. Basically, we are positive beings. Let us first explore these positive emotions within ourselves, and then nurture these positive emotions within you. If we are in a position to develop these positive emotions within ourselves, only then we can develop these emotions in our surroundings. This is a very old slide of mine. And this is Dr. Suresh. This is, what is this?
God is nowhere. God is
God is nowhere. And Kavita is saying, what
God
Kavita?
is
now here.
This can be read in two ways. God is nowhere, or God is
now here.
now here. Yes, and
God
God is now here.
now here, yes.
Friends, you are not separate from this earth, sun, moon, and this universe. You are not a drop on this ocean. You are an ocean in a drop. You are manifesting this universe. Life is manifesting. Universe is manifesting through this life. Yes, God is always with you. This nature, universe is always supporting you. God is now here.
Now here, yes.
Friends, rather than being your thoughts and emotions, be the awareness behind them. Yes, you are not your mind. You are not your thoughts. This noise in your mind is not who you are. This noise in my mind is not who am I. I am larger than this noise. I can minimize this noise. I am the awareness behind them.
Yes, yes.
And life exists only in the present moment. Friends, ultimately, whenever you will meet the life, you can meet the life only in present moment. There is no past, there is no future. Life exists in moments. Life exists here and now. life exists only in present moment. It is not possible that you are living in present, you are in present and you are unhappy also. It's not possible. This is a very important slide, friends. How can we minimize this noise, this monkey noise, overthinking? 40% of we are repeating our thoughts, waste thoughts, negative thought, number of times in our mind, and that creates the unhappiness. We can minimize these thoughts. We can minimize the overthinking with the help of simple steps. Simply, there is a connection between our breathing and our thoughts. If you are aware about your breathing, if you are mindful about your breathing, definitely there is minimization in your thoughts. This is the first step. Simple exercise. Whenever there is a repetition of thoughts, overthinking, simply observe your breath. After this mastery, you can observe your bodily sensations, feelings, and thoughts. If you are in a position to observe your anger, irritation, impulsivity, fear, then there is no fear, no anger, no irritation, impulsivity. Two things cannot go simultaneously. Awareness and anger. Dr. Suresh, you are saying something.
Sir, we are having less than a minute for this session. We will continue with the same link, sir. We will have a remaining presentation and question and answer. And this.
Okay. Sorry.
Okay, sir. We will, dear participant, please come back again in the same link. We will have a remaining session and question and answer session with the expert. Please come back.
Then I will go to the last last slide of thank you.
Sir, we will come back in the same link, sir. We can continue the remaining presentation.
Tomorrow itself?
Yes, sir. Now itself.
Okay.
Same link, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you so much.